Today we are going to perform abdominal examination. So we already have a patient whose name is Rita. So good morning Miss Rita. आपकी तबीयत कैसी है? Okay. क्योंकि आप प्रेग्नेंट हो, हम आपका पेट की जांच करेंगे जिसमें हम बच्चे का ग्रोथ मॉनिटरिंग करने वाले हैं. ठीक है, थैंक यू. सो हम लोग प्रोसीजर स्टार्ट करने के पहले आप बाथरूम जाके पेशाब करके आ सकते हैं. ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच. तो मीनवाइल व्हेन द पेशेंट इज गोइंग फॉर द वॉशरूम वी विल अरेंज द आर्टिकल. सो आर्टिकल विल बी containing the MCP card, the measuring tape and a fetoscope. सो मिस रीता, अब हम लोग आपका पेट का जांच करने वाले हैं. आप लेट जाइए, कंफर्टेबल होकर लेट जाइए. ओके, आप अपने पैर को स्ट्रेट रख सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. मैं आपका कपड़ा हटाकर पेट की जांच करने वाली हूँ. So first we will do the inspection of the abdomen. After that we'll start with the measurement. We divide the abdomen into parts by imaginary lines. Okay, so the abdominal girth is 77 centimeter. Next we'll check the fundal height. So we'll keep our ulnar border in the fundus area of the xiphisternum and then palpate. Where we are getting the resistance, we'll stop there and then take the measurement till the symphysis pubis. So it is coming 38. Now we'll check same thing in the weeks. We'll keep the measuring tape back in the tray and then we'll check in a weeks. So 24 weeks is the umbilicus and then 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 and then 2 weeks. That means 33 weeks it is. Next we'll start with the fundal height. So we'll warm up our hand. Ask the woman to flex her knees and then keep the pad of our fingers in the abdomen on the fundus area. And then palpate the first palpation, which is fundal palpation. So I got broad irregular mass which indicates the buttock of the baby. Then push at the lateral side and we'll perform the lateral palpation. I got irregular nodules which indicates the extremities of the baby. Now I am performing at the another side which shows the spine of the baby. Next I'll do the first pelvic palpation. Since the head is not engaged, it is movable. Perform the third palpation, which is pelvic palpation. So since the head is not engaged, it is movable. And the last palpation, which is your pelvic 2 palpation, where we will be moving another side of the patient, and then we will make a cone shaped structure. Since the head is not engaged, it is divergent. So now we will start with the auscultation. So we'll draw imaginary line from the umbilicus till the iliac crest. Since we have found out the spine here, so we will draw imaginary line from umbilicus till the iliac crest, and now middle of that I'll keep the fetoscope and then check the time. For 1 minute we will be checking the heart rate of the baby. So 1 minute is over. So the heart rate is 143. So next we'll record all the findings. We'll cover up the patient and then record all the findings of the abdominal examination. We have done with the procedure. We have done the palpation and the auscultation of the mother. Now we will write the findings of the abdominal assessment. So we have done the recording in the MCP card and then wish the patient and then let the patient go back. So thank you Miss Rita for the better cooperation. Thank you so much. Today we are going to perform PV examination. So before performing the examination, we will explain the procedure to the patient. So नमस्ते मिस रीता, आप कैसे हैं? Okay. So हम अभी आपका डिलीवरी का प्रोसेस चल रहा है और हम आपका सर्विक्स का मुंह खुला है या नहीं वो जांच करने वाले हैं. Next we'll arrange the articles. So we have to take the sterile tray which contains the sponge holder and a ball with cotton and a kidney basin and 1 sterile gloves. So first we will arrange the sterile tray. We'll put the betadine solution inside this. Now we'll open the sterile gloves inside it and then do the surgical hand washing for the 3 minutes. Next step, we'll take one cotton and then clean the clitoris area. Then labia minora. Then majora. And then we'll apply the xylocaine jelly in our fingers, and then we'll put our fingers in a vertical area and then spread our fingers inside and then feel the os of the cervix. So now cervix has been opened for 4 centimeter, and then take out the hand, fingers in a vertical area, and then remove the gloves and then cover the patient. सो मिस रीता, आपका जो सर्विक्स है 4 सेंटीमीटर डायलेट हो चुका है, आपका प्रोग्रेस, लेबर का प्रोग्रेस काफ़ी अच्छा है, आप ऐसे ही कंटिन्यू कोऑपरेट करते रहे। थैंक यू।